हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम आज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 47 सर्विस कॉस्टिंग का है और सीएमए इंटरमीडिएट का क्वेश्चन है। इलस्ट्रेशन 47 चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलस्ट्रेशन 47 तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस में आप प्लीज एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे आप। इलस्ट्रेशन 47 देखिए आप प्लीज। A transport service company is running 4 buses between 2 towers which are 50 miles। तो यहाँ पे 4 बसेज है और 50 माइल्स है। ए पार्ट सीटिंग कैपेसिटी of the bus is 40 passengers। The following particulars were obtained from their books for अप्रैल 2015। ये सारी खर्चेज है, ये एक मंथ का खर्च है, सिर्फ अप्रैल 2015 का खर्च है, जनवरी मार्च अप्रैल का खर्च है। वेजेज एंड ड्राइवर एंड कंडक्टर्स आपका कितने दिए हुए हैं, 2400 दिया हुआ है। सैलरीज ऑफिस एंड सुपरवाइजर स्टाफ 1000 का खर्च दिया हुआ है। डीजल एंड साइल एक्सपेंसेस इतना दिया हुआ है। रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस खर्च इतना दिया हुआ है और टैक्सेस एंड इंश्योरेंस इतना दिया हुआ है। डेप्रिसिएशन आपको ये दिया हुआ है। इंटरेस्ट एंड अदर चार्जेस इतना दिया हुआ है। टोटल आपका खर्च इतनी है 14400। बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ करना ही नहीं है, आपको कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा। 14,400 ऑलरेडी कॉस्ट इज गिवन हियर। नाउ द एक्चुअल पैसेंजर कैरीड 75% ऑफ द सीटिंग कैपेसिटी। आउट ऑफ 40 passengers we can utilize we are utilizing only 75% capacity, only 75% capacity. All the 4 buses run on all days of the month, all 30 days runs. Okay, now each bus made one round trip means once time it goes and once time it come back. One round trip का मतलब means this. Find out the cost per passenger kilometer. Cost per passenger kilometer you have to find. Passenger miles, so first you need to calculate in these questions cost per passenger miles we have to calculate. So first we need to calculate passenger miles. So in this case how will you calculate passenger miles? Look at it. The bus one times, this is the one place, one town, and this is the other town. The distance having A and B is 40 kilometer. 40 kilometer distance is a 50 miles, sorry 50 miles. 50 miles. So now bus once time it goes from this side and it runs 50 miles. Again it comes this, it runs 50 miles. So wherever one round trip we have to calculate, in this case 50 into 2 that equal to 100 kilometer runs it. Okay, 100 miles it runs. So first you need to calculate, you have to calculate miles kilometer, passenger miles. So working note first, calculation of passenger miles kilometer. So distance we have 50 miles. Number of round trips, one round trip. Passenger capacity, how much is the passenger capacity we have? Look at it. There is a 40 passengers, we have 40 passengers. So we have a 40 passengers, we have 40 passengers. Now 40 passengers, 4 buses, number of buses here, number of buses, 4, number of buses 4. Now the question is capacity utilized. यहाँ पे कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइज्ड 75%. Look at it. If one passenger is going 50 miles and coming 50 miles, it is said to be one passenger. 1 into 50 into 2, that equal to 100 passenger miles. 100 passenger mile. But for there are 40 passengers, and out of 40 passengers, 75% capacity is utilized. In this case, passenger kilometer is calculated as passenger kilo, yeah, miles, passenger miles. Look at here. Look at look at it. There are 50 miles have to run. Once it goes, once come back. That is the 2. How many buses we have? 4 buses goes and 4 buses come. That is a 4. How many passengers? That is a 40 passengers. That is a 40 passengers. How many days in a month? April. Assume 30. 30 is the days. Now, how much capacity utilizing? Out of 40 passengers, only 30 passengers, 75% of 40 passengers you use itna 75%. Now 50 into 2 plus into 4 into 40 into 30.75, 3,60,000 passenger miles. This is said to be passenger miles. Okay, this is a working note. Now total cost incurred during April. Total cost incurred during April. Total cost rupees आपको कितने, how much? 14,000. That is the cost here. 14,400. Total cost is 14,400. So 14,400 cost per passenger miles. 14,400 cost incurred for 3,60,000 passenger miles. 3,60,000 passenger miles. So 14,400 divided by the rupees 04. This is a passenger miles we need to calculate. Okay, so what we have to find out the cost per passenger miles. This you have to calculate. This is 0.40. Your answer is calculated by the insureds. This is the your passenger miles. This is the cost per passenger miles, 0.0. Okay, thank you class. In next classes we will do the other questions. Okay, thank you.